Hi, Math Dragons. Here's our lesson about LCM, which is least common multiple. We did a math test here, and feel free to pause the video and copy down this problem on page 4 in your math notebook. Okay, let's get started. I can find the least common multiple, LCM, between two or more numbers. Math task, Alexa's classes. In school, Alexa has a music class every 3 days and a drawing class every 4 days. Alexa has a music class and a drawing class on Tuesday. On which day of the school week will Alexa have both classes again? Solve using any method that makes sense to you. Take the time to pause the video and attempt a solution for this math task. So I want you to pause and try to solve it. Okay, let's take a look at one of the solution methods. You could draw out a calendar to try to represent Alexa's class schedule. Now, in the problem, they mentioned that it is a school week. So that's going to eliminate Sunday and Saturday. Let's go in and see what else we know. She's going to have music class every 3 days. But it starts on Tuesday. And she's going to have dance class every 4 days, but it also starts on Tuesday. Let's go every 3 days with music class. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got music class set up. Now let's try to find drawing class. It's every 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start here. When do they match up again? Which day of the week? Here, Thursday. So the time that they match up again is a couple weeks later on a Thursday. Let's take a look at the numbers of this. We can put something in these blanks. If you could think of a vocabulary word that might go with what I want to put in these blanks, imagine that vocabulary word now. Some things that I've heard before is, let's put the days of the week in the blanks. That's actually not true right now. I would like us to skip count in the blanks. If we skip count in the blanks, what vocabulary word would be associated with that? If you said multiples, you are correct. Multiples. We're going to talk about multiples. So let's find the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. That's as far as I need to go right now. Okay, you take a moment. Find the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, you should see some things in common. What do you see in common? The things in common are the 12s and the 24s. That has a special name. Common multiples. Because they share them. But for this problem, one of these is more important than the others. Do you know which one's more important than the other? If you said the 12, you're correct. The 12 is the soonest the classes will overlap. The 12 is the smallest that they have in common. The vocabulary word for that? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Let's see how that plays out on our little calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On the 12th day, they repeat again. On the 12th day, they repeat again. So that was the math task we did for page 4. Make sure you have those notes, and you'll be ready to go for page 5. Thank you, Dragons.